Okay, so to do the extended treble crochet, you're going to start off like a regular treble and yarn over twice. You're going to insert your hook into your next stitch and yarn over and pull up a loop. This is where it changes. You're going to yarn over and pull through just the first loop. That's going to be the extended part, kind of creates a chain. Then we're going to work off our treble like normal. We're going to pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over second 2, yarn over third 2. So again, yarn over 2 times. Insert your hook into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, then work off 2 at a time. Yarn over first 2, yarn over second 2, yarn over third 2. So that is the extended treble crochet super fast stitch refresher. If you need to see a more in-depth and slower tutorial on this, just check out my extended treble crochet tutorial, and thank you for watching.